Hello students, today we will see what is PowerPoint. Okay, introduction to PowerPoint. Let me check whether it is recording or not. Yeah, it is recording. Okay. So in your chapter, in your syllabus, so Microsoft Office is there. Microsoft Office, in that there are three parts. Okay, there are three parts: MS Excel, MS Word and MS PowerPoint. Okay, so MS Excel and MS Excel and MS Office, MS Word, it will study in further class, but in your 8th chapter, 8th standard, you have PowerPoint, that means presentation. Okay, so presentation software you have. So first we will see what is MS Office. Okay, MS Office means Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office. So Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the type of the MS Office. Okay, MS PowerPoint is a presentation software. Okay, so listen carefully. MS Office, MS Office, MS Office. Okay, in that, so particular one type is there, that is MS PowerPoint. Before going to the chapter, you have to learn all those things, because next further studies you need this. Okay, you have to listen carefully and you have to learn all those things for further studies. Okay, so MS Office package, it is a part of the MS Office package. Microsoft Office, Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software. So first of all, what is the software? Software is a collection of, okay, software is a collection of program. Then what is program? Program, so program, see here MS Office. Okay, Microsoft Office, in that software here, what is the software? Software is a collection of programs. Then what is the program? Program is collection of group of instructions. So instructions means, before going to that, we will see what is computer, right? What is computer? So computer is an electromechanical device. Okay, what it will do? It will receive data from the user, or it will receive instructions from the user, and it performs the action, it produces the result and send to the output device. That is called computer, right? So in a computer, there is a two parts, right? So I already told that electromechanical device. What is electromechanical device? Mechanical means physical components which we feel to touch. So whatever we are touch the things, touch the components, that means input devices like a keyboard, mouse and desktop and CPU and then what we are using, mic, printer, these are all physical components, that means hardware components. Okay, and software means, so electromechanical means these are the mechanical things, and electro means in computer we are using electronic devices like chips, ICs, registers, so on we are using. That's why, so computer is an electromechanical device. There are two types, hardware and as well as the software. Hardware means physical components, okay, physical components are called hardware, and software means without software hardware cannot work. It does not work, hardware without the software. So software is a collection of programs, okay, collection of programs, right. So like that, MS Office, Microsoft Office, so in that MS PowerPoint, so I already told that MS Office, in that there are three parts. First one is MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. In MS Word, okay, we are using documents, okay, to create the text or files or pages. So documents is nothing but pages. Written pages are called documents, okay, written pages are called documents. So here what we'll do, documents means for creating or editing or printing the documents we are using MS Word, okay. In MS Excel we are using spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means it is a larger calculation part, okay, in that we are using calculation part. So students marks, for example, students marks, student name or student information we want to store. So like that we are using what, spreadsheets. So spreadsheet is nothing but MS Excel, but in your syllabus MS Office, in that PowerPoint is present, okay. So MS PowerPoint is a presentation software, okay, presentation software which is used to perform particular task. So if I want to create anything, okay, these are the subtopics we have to create here. That means that presentation software, that means PowerPoint is used to create simple and complicated presentations, okay, simple as well as complicated presentations. So PowerPoint gives that ability to make effective presentation by adding text, drawing, images and colors, design, animated special effects, like that. Because the image, it will stick on in our mind compared to thousands of words. That's why, so one image, it will gives more powerful than hundreds of words. That's why this PowerPoint we are using in that, okay, presentation. In that presentation, a presentation is a collection of slides, okay, collection of slides. So these are the slides, collection of slides, right. If I want to insert some image, so it will show, wait, not image, don't go there. If I want any screenshot, photo albums, shapes, so here see, these are the different things I can use in this presentation, okay. I can use images, okay, from my file. I can use pictures, so online pictures, screenshots, photo album, like that, okay. So see here, this is your presentation window, okay, presentation window. See here, first thing, 8th class PowerPoint, okay, 8th class PowerPoint, it is a toolbar, that means title toolbar, title bar, this is, okay. So these are the quick access toolbars. So these are the minimize, maximize, close, and these comments present in this bar is called menu bar. Okay, so below that these are called status bar. So this is address window and this is document window. We are calling this as a document window, this is a address window. Let me check whether it is recording or not. Yeah, it is recording. Okay, so I already told that a presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a sequence manner to convey any information. Okay, a slide is like a page in a presentation that display some brief explanation or brief information. Okay, so presentation is a method of effective communication. It helps to present your views and ideas effectively through visual aids. It is widely used in business and educational world because in business they have to they want the profit and loss margin and growth and increasing and decreasing the things. But in education world, so marks, if 8th standard marks is high, then 9th standard is low, then 10th standard is high. So like that we have to design the things. So presentation, it can be projected on big screen or attaching to the computer. It is called projector. Using a projector we can attach the things and we can generate speakers notes, etc. So nowadays what it will happen, we can use in colleges and in business for giving any presentation or giving any demonstration, we can use this. So presentation, it consists in number of slides. Slides is nothing but pages. Okay, pages. So these slides are grouped together in a sequence to form a slide show. Okay, so slide show is an electronic presentation displayed on computer screen. So that's why we are using this. How we can start this MS PowerPoint means, here see, so this is my desktop, right? This is my desktop. Here right click on. So because here the start button is hidden, that's why I'm showing like this. So right click on that, new dialog window it will comes. So here see Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, click on that. It will gives, so I'll give 8th. I want to save this, double click on that, it will open. Okay. So see here, these are the parts of the PowerPoint or presentation slide. Okay, so these screen elements here, see, these are the quick access toolbar. Okay, quick access toolbar, and here these are the menu bar or tabs are called, and title bar, sizing buttons, and this is called page or slide. Okay, slide. Here see, this is called, this place is called place holder. Place holder, these two things called place holder, because here we can put the heading or chapter name of the book slide. Okay, and this is click to add note, means it is a note pen. We can click the we can save anything. Okay, we can create anything, information beyond this. So this title bar is located at the top of the screen. I already told that. It contains 3 buttons, right side minimum, maximums, restore. So like this, and title bar name we can save or we can open using this file. Okay. So quick access, these are the quick access toolbar. Why? Because we can use frequently. Okay, we can give comments immediately, just one click we can use the comments. So undo, redo, here see undo means what it will give. Undo means it cancels the earlier command. Okay, it cancels earlier command and it gives back to the command, and that means it cancels current present command. And redo means what it will do, it will rearrange, means it will again recorrect the repeat that command present what we have given. So undo means what it will give, undo it will cancel current event, so sorry, current command. Okay, currently what we are used in currently, so that command it will cancel. And but redo what it will do, it will repeat current command. Okay, what we have cancelled, that command it will give. Clear? And see in this wait, I'll repeat that one. So another way to start the presentation, power presentation. So how means open new document, sorry wait. So right click, go to new, open document, double click on that. So here this is title, this is working window, sorry, address window of the MS Word, and go to here, open new. Okay, new presentation. So like this it will come. Okay, this is title bar, I already told you that, and this is menu bar. There are 4 bars are there: title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar, and formatting toolbar. Okay, so here see menu bar having commands to perform the operations, right? So but here standard toolbar it having commands to perform operations immediately. So here icons will present, okay, represent the operations. See this is new, open, save, okay, like that. So here see this is the formatting toolbar. So we can format the things. If I don't want that color, I can change the color. If I want to change the font size, I can change the font size also. See for example PowerPoint, right? If I don't want this, select, so drag this pointer, mouse pointer is called selection pointer, right? So when it comes to the text, it is called I-beam. Okay, I-beam. If I don't want this, I can change the things, right? Okay, I want red. See, this is the red color. If I want to change that one, okay, I want background color, then what I will do? MS Office. If I want to change the background color, wait a minute. Go to here, fill format. So if I want to change this, so this mouse pointer, it will convert into precise selection. So this is called precise selection. So like that we can change the things. Okay, and this is the standard bar. Below this is called formatting, drawing objects. Okay, drawing objects, these are called drawing objects. For example, if I want to put some image, wait a minute. So this handbar, it also shows like this, right? So next, and ruler, office button, placeholder. So here so these are the presentation parts of the presentation. Next we will see how to install how to insert images or how to create the slide. Okay, in next class we will study. Okay, practice well, open that, you write the summary and all. For this purpose, okay, so practice well, you just write summary, that is definition of the computer and what is Microsoft Office, and in that how many parts are there, and write down the note for PowerPoint. Just you write the summary, that's it. Okay, so and these bars, how many bars are there, how to open this MS Office. So I told that there are two methods. First one is you can go to the start button, and in that all programs are there. In that MS presentation is PowerPoint is present, so you can open that, or otherwise you can go to MS Word document. In that file new, in a new file there is a one drop down list, it will come. So in that spreadsheet it will come. Spreadsheet, nothing, spreadsheet, no, it's not spreadsheet, it is a PowerPoint or presentation. It will see here it will present new. So test document, it is MS Word, spreadsheet is MS Excel, presentation is PowerPoint. Okay, like that we can open the things. Okay, so if any doubts, you just give me a call. Okay, thank you.